Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Yotpo reviews for trust building in dropshipping. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Yotpo account. If you don't have an account yet, visit Yotpo's website to sign up. Once logged in, navigate to the Reviews tab on the dashboard. Click on Settings to access your review configuration options. Here, you will find various settings to customize your reviews. Begin by selecting the collection method that suits your business. Choose between email requests, SMS requests, or in-person requests. Next, enable the automatic review request feature. This ensures customers automatically receive a request after their purchase. Customize the timing of your review requests. Consider sending requests a few days after the estimated delivery date. Scroll down to adjust the review request template. Make sure the tone aligns with your brand voice. Personalize the email subject line to grab attention. In the body, thank customers for their purchase and briefly explain the importance of their feedback. Now, enable the option to showcase reviews on your product pages. This helps to build trust with potential customers. Select where you want the reviews to appear on your site. You can choose either below the product description or in a dedicated tab. Next, set up filters to manage which reviews are displayed. Consider hiding any reviews that don't meet your quality criteria. Proceed to implement star ratings in your Google search results. This enhances your visibility in search engine results and builds credibility. Navigate to the SEO settings in Yotpo and enable rich snippets. This will require you to input your website's URL. After that, integrate Yotpo with your e-commerce platform. Follow the specific instructions for platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento. Once integrated, test to ensure reviews are appearing on your site. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.